design.
He will calling me. Maybe later he will call me.
Mom of the bride, yes.
Oh, thank you.
He will direct.
And also the parents of the groom can sit this side. And friends and the family, don't be so far. Please come nearby. Take your place and be comfortable.
Tomar side, Amar side.
And since you are already here, to welcome the bride and groom. Earlier I did not hear any applause from you when they did the Jaimala. Please do now. The big round of applause to welcome them. Supposed to be the song Bahan Phul Barsao Mera Mehboob Aaya Hai. But I don't know the song and I have to do the puja. Your hands also because I saw you. ओम पवित्रः पवित्रवा सर्वस्तां ततोपिवः यह सूर्यकुंडिकाक्ष समाहया धन्द्रः शुचिः। यस सीजे भाई, बीच बीच में थोड़ा सा वो म्यूजिक जा सकता है लेकिन तुरंत ही ऑफ कर देना है। थैंक यू। ओम चंद्रस्य महत्पुण्यं पवित्रं पापनाशनमाप्नोति नित्यं लक्ष्मीः तिष्ठति सर्वदा। Indra has already some tika. We call it tika, the one I just used. But Rina doesn't have. So you will be tika later. Yeah. So first, later. Are you comfortable with it?
Give me the structure.
Please meditate upon Almighty God in the form of Lord Ganesha before you start the wedding ritual completely, followed by all the 9 planets, the colors and all the deities. We have done the puja already in the morning and second puja already in the opening sanskar. This is the third puja and this is our third ritual. हरि ओम गणहनान्वः गणपतिगुं हवामहे प्रियहनान्वः प्रियपतिगुं हवामहे निधिनान्वः निधिपतिगुं हवामहे वसो ममाहं जानिर्वदमः त्वमजासि निर्वदमः ओम स्वस्ति नः इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदः स्वस्ति नस्तार्चयुः अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ओम भद्रं गणभिः शृणुयाम देवः भद्रं पश्यमाशभिर्यत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्ट्वः कंसस्तनभिर्षेमहि देवहितं यदायुः शतमिन्नुः शरदोऽयं च देवः यत्र हर्षकः जरसन्तनूनां पुत्रासु यत्र पितरो भवन्ति मानवध्यानिकतार्जुनन्तः अदितिर्ध्यौरदितिरन्तरिक्षमदितिर्माता स पिता स पुत्रः विश्वदेवः यदितिः पञ्चजनः यदितिर्जातमदितिर्जनित्वम् ओम ध्यः शान्तिः त्रिशवं शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिः रुखद्धयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वदेवः शान्तिर्ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुं शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः साम शान्तिरेधुंश शान्तिर्भवतु। फॉर योर हैंड स्टिल। ओम श्रीमन्महागणाधिपतये नमः। ओम लक्ष्मीनारायणाभ्यां नमः। ओम उमामहेश्वराभ्यां नमः। वाणी हिरण्यगर्भाभ्यां नमः। ओम शशिपुरन्द्राभ्यां नमः। मातृपितृचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। कुलदेवताभ्यो नमः। ग्रामदेवताभ्यो इष्टदेवताभ्यो स्थानदेवताभ्यो नमः। वासुदेवताभ्यो नमः। सर्वेभ्यो ब्राह्मणेभ्यो नमः। सर्वेभ्यो तीर्थेभ्यो नमः। ओम पुण्यं पुण्याहं दिव्यमानस्तु एत्यं प्रधानस्य भगवन्गजाननाय नमः। सर्वेभ्यो वाहिदेवताभ्यो नमः। कलश देवता प्लैनेट्स। ओम कलशस्य मुखे विष्णु कंठे रुद्रस्मासिता मूले तत्रिस्तु ब्रह्मा मध्ये मात्रे नासंता कुशल सागरा सर्वे सप्त दीपाप सुंदरा ऋग्वेदो यजुर्वेदो सामवेदो वर्णपेश सहिता सर्वे कलशम पुष्पाचिताः अत्र गायत्री शांति शांति पुष्टि श्रात्ति तिष्ठति भूतानि त्वयि प्राणः प्रतिष्ठा शिवस्तु देवासि विष्णुस्तुंच प्रजापति आदित्य वस्तु रुद्रः रुद्रदेवा च सदृगः। ओम भूर्भुवस्सुवः कलशद्वितात् नमः वरात् ध्यानात् कृतार्थे पुष्पं समर्पयामि। ओम राम सुकुमार बाहु राजा गदुर दर्शन शब्द ब्राह्मण सुतया तुम सुति सुगंध धारि दुत्मा आग सुतवाम सुतयम मंदिरा धूपम दर्शयामि सकल वाय देवता नमो धूपम आघ्राप्यामि। द लाइट इज हियर। ओम चंद्रमा मनसो जात चक्षुः सूर्यो जायत श्रोत्र वैश्व प्राण समुखाद्रि जात साजं चौड़ संयुक्त वैनाम स्तम्या दीपम गृहांतरे सत्र तिव्रापः दीपम दर्शयामि सकल वाय देवताभ्यो नमः। ओम ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्मवे ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्मनाथं ब्रह्मविद्यातं ब्रह्मकर्म समाधिनं नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि फलं समर्पयामि सकल वाहि देवताभ्यो नमः।
এটা আরে আর এবার তুমি কি ওইটা নিয়ে শুরু করো।
We will be proceeding to worship for the bride and the groom. First from the groom side, we will be doing. Here in the Hindu wedding, the bride and the groom, they are not just a daughter or son of someone. In the wedding platform, the bride and groom, they are known or called as Lakshmi and Narayan. Narayan meaning Vishnu. So the groom is the Vishnu and the girl, the bride, is the Lakshmi. That's how we see them. And of course, when she goes to the family of the groom, she is the Lakshmi because she brings happiness, prosperity with her. And the Narayan, the Vishnu, who always side by side with the Lakshmi, to be with her, to guide her, to help her, to protect her, to provide. So that's how the spirit is when it comes about the Hindu wedding. Hindu wedding is not just a simple marriage or contract. It is a two body where through the rituals of the wedding becomes one. They become one forever. They remain always in love forever. They follow the rules and the traditions of the family and give the family all the happiness for what they are together. So now we will be welcoming them. As a mother, you have to welcome the groom and also the bride, the same place. Om Sadhu Bhavanasta. Where you ask them to sit and give them for sitting. Already they have seat, but still it is symbolic. Om Vishnu 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 Om Vishnu Pratigetam Om Vishnu Pratigirinami. Keep it under your feet. Keep it under your feet. Yes, yes, yes. Om. Please give them this one. Both of them. Please receive both of you. Om Padyah Padyam Padyam Om Padyam Pratigrihitam Om Padyam Pratigrihinami. Okay, just sprinkle on your legs. Om Virajo Dohosi Virajo Dohamasi Vai Padhyay Virajo Doha. Now, ma'am, please keep the pillar. Just take this finger and put both of them in the forehead. Just very little. Om Kasturi Tilakam Lalad Patle Vakshastale Kastubham Nasagre Varmoktikam Karatale Venu Kare Kankanam Sarvange Harichandanam Sulalitam Kanthe Chamuktavali Gopastri Parivestito Vijate Gopal Chudamani Gandham Samarpyami. Now once again you give them that water. Yes. Om Argho Argha Om Argha Pratigradam Om Argha Pratigrinami. Just give it down, just bring it in front of you. Once again, homage. This time we will just take it little, just from the top, not necessary touching. Homage Manyam Ajmanyam 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 Pratigritam Om Ajmanyam Pratigrinami. And now, so we will give it over. Just wash the back side of you. This is the next ritual is after all this welcoming, giving water and everything is Madhupark. Just only for the offered through. Om Madhuparko. No. As it is complete. Om Madhuparko, Madhuparko, Madhuparkah. Om Madhuparkam Pratigrihitam. Om Madhuparkam Pratigrihinami. Om Mitrasva Chaksa Pratikshe. We have done complete.
Oh.
So, give me the water in the hand of No, you can drink the wine. It's just in front. That's why I made it in front of you. Normally, I could have made it and keep it, but I made it in front of you just for the hygienic purpose. And I did not give you anything, but I gave you the very much pure clay ball. These are the traditional welcoming by the bride family. Now you follow me. You have to touch the body parts of yours. Both of you can do. Yeah. Om Vagmyasyasthu. Om Narso में प्राणोरस्तु. Om अक्षणों में चर्चुरस्तु. Om कर्णों में श्रुतरस्तु. Om भावों में बलमस्तु. Om पूर्वों में वजोस्तु. Om full body. Both है. Om मरिष्णानि लिंगानि त्रस्तु आत्मा में शंतु. Now, here, from this ritual, first thing I am alarming you as your priest in front of everyone in the family, for both of you. Because this is the time, normally in the traditional way, the girl will come and sit after all this. And then both of them, first time they will look at one another. Although you have been seeing one another, but still in the tradition, look at one another, make sure you don't blink your eyes until I am not done with the chanting. Om Savanantu Vishwadeva Samapu Hridayanu Shamantari Swasam Dhata Samudrishitadatu No. Blink already. And you know what is the meaning of that? The one who did not blink until the priest was not done chanting, he or she is the one dominating one. Okay. The game has happened already. The खेला हो गया. अभी अग्नि स्थापन और साकोचार. आप यहाँ रख दो, अच्छा है, ताकि मिस मत करें. यहाँ रख. हवन करेंगे. आप दोनों से करवाता हूँ हवन. अग्नि प्रज्वलित के लिए आप इसको ऐसे करेंगे. बस चला दो. ओम अग्निदूतम प्रोदधे मूर्तिमान देवान साध्यादया ओम अग्नये नमः. There is no comfort. This one. ओम अग्निदूतम प्रोदधे देवान देवान साध्यादया ओम अग्नये नमो नमः. अब I'll be just chanting the Sakocha. Om Sahasrasirkha Purkha Sahasraksha Sahasrapad Sabhumigom Sarvatas Astitvatyatishad Sangulam Lakshmi Kaustubh Parijataka Sura Dhanvantris Chandrama Kavah Kantudha Sureswara Gajoram Bhanti Devagana Asvaha Saptamukha Sudha Haridhanu Sankho Visham Chambudhe Ratnaniti Chaturdasa Pratidinam Kurvantu Vai Mangalam. From the boy side, this Sakochar is Swasti Sriman Nandanandan Charan Kamal Bhakti Nurag Dharmurti Dharmavatar Sri Gurukul Kamal Prakash Mata Mukarbani Sabha Sringar Sadvidya Vinodena Krit Kriti Vistaristasya Shandile Gotrasya Sri Navak Kumar Banerjee Parpatroyam Sandil Gotrasya Sri Mahendranath Banerjee Parpatroyam Sandil Gotrasya Sri Jyotindra Nath Banerjee Patroyam Parpatroyam Sri Purna Ranjan Banerjee Patroyam Sandil Gotrasya Jayant Banerjee Putroyam Pretapani Sharanam Prapatti Varah Chiranjeevi Kanya Savitri Bhuyatiti Varpakshe Pratham Sakochara Swasti Srimandanandan from the girl side Charan Kamal Bhakti Nurag Dharmurti Dharmavatar Sri Gurukul Kamal Prakash Mata Mukarbani Sabha Sringar Sadvidya Vinod Krit Kirti Vistaristasya Kasyap Gotrasya Amukha Paurpatriyam Amukha Gotrasya Patriyam Amukha Namna Gotrasya Hajime Niju Kosi Sama Putriyam Krita Pani Sharma Prapatti Varah Chiranjeevi Kanya Savitri Bhuyatiti Kanya Pakshe Pratham Sakochara Dvitiya Sakochara Om Purastwaditya Rudravasvaham Samidadam Punar Brahmno Sunita Yakyahi Griten Tom Dharmam Vardhasva Satya Santu Yajman Se Kamaha Durge Durga Virasini Bhayhari Mata Bhayaharini Kamaksha Girija Uma Bhagavati Bhageswari Yogini Vande Sundara Bhairavi Sulilita Siddheswari Renuka वाराहि वरदानि कृष्णा कुर्वन्तु वै मङ्गलम्। स्वस्ति श्रीमन्नंदन चरण कमल भक्ति अनुराग धर्म मूर्ति धर्मावतार श्री गुरुकुल कमल प्रकाश माता मुकुटमणि सभा श्रृंगार सद्विद्या विनोदेन कृति कृति विस्तारस्तस्य सान्निलगोत्रस्य मुखनाम्नः सान्निलगोत्रस्य श्री नवकुमार बनर्जी परपौत्रोऽयं श्री महेंद्रनाथ बनर्जी परपौत्रोऽयं श्री योगेंद्रनाथ बनर्जी पौत्रोऽयं परपौत्रोऽयं श्री पूर्ण रंजन बनर्जी परपौत्रोऽयं जयंत बनर्जी पुत्रोऽयं शरणं प्रपत्ति प्रेता पाणी शरणं प्रपत्ति वरः चिरंजीवी कन्या सावित्री भूयाति पक्षे तृतीय साकोचारा कन्या पक्षे स्वस्ति श्रीमन्नंदन चरण कमल भक्ति अनुराग धर्म मूर्ति धर्मावतार श्री गुरुकुल कमल प्रकाश माता मुकुटमणि सभा श्रृंगार सद्विद्या विनोदेन कृत कृति विस्तार